please see this question, sir. Once you understand the concept, these are all very easy questions. And I am telling you again and again, there is not much difference between mixtures and alligations. 4 kgs of sugar priced at 50 rupees per kg. That means 50 rupees per kg is the price of first quantity. First quantity 4 kgs is also given in the question, is mixed with, this is mixed with 8 kgs of sugar priced at 60 rupees per kg. Find the rate of mixed sugar. This is the question on mixtures directly. It really does not make any difference whether we teach this or learn this in alligations or mixtures, because both are more or less the same. Can I say that this is mixed in the ratio 4:8, which is nothing but 1:2. So average cost price of the mixture is 50 plus diagonal element of 50 is 2. Write down 2. Sum of 2 and 1 is 3. Write down 3. Difference of 50 and 60, it is 10. Write down 10. So this is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is nothing but 6.66. 50 plus 6.66 is 56.66 rupees. Average cost price of the resultant mixture is 56.66 rupees per kg. Sir, can I do it from the reverse way? Yes, definitely. 50 rupees is the product of the first quantity, 4 kgs, and 60 rupees is the price of second quantity, and it is 8 kgs. Average always lies between lowest and highest values. That means average is greater than the lowest, less than the highest. So it is 60 minus something. Highest is 60. Less than 60 means it is 60 minus something. Diagonal element of 60 is 1. Sum of 1 and 2, it is nothing but 3. Difference of 60 and 50 is 10. 10 by 3 is 3.33. 60 minus 3.33 is again 56.66 percentage. And believe me, sir, these are all very, very easy once you understand it, sir. These are all very easy. Tell me the answer for the next question. I am sure that just reading the question you will understand which method to be applied. A shopkeeper bought one type of rice at 12 rupees per kg and other type of rice at 16.25 rupees per kg. This is the first statement which is given. After mixing both the types, he fixed the cost of mixture at 14.75 rupees per kg. Resultant is 14.75. If the total quantity of rice be 85 kgs, first parameter quantity and second type of rice quantity, if I combine, according to question, if I combine, it is 85 kgs. Find the quantity of first type of rice. Where is the difficulty here? Can I use the same methodology? Q1 by Q2 is nothing but Q1 by Q2 is 16.25 minus 14.75. It is nothing but 1.5 divided by 14.75 minus 12. It is nothing but 2.75. It is nothing but 1.5 is 15 and 2.7 is 27.5 if I multiply by 10. So, or in other words, it is 150 divided by 275. This is 25 into 6. This is 25 into 11. So, the quantity in which they both need to be mixed is 6:11. According to ratio, 6 kgs or 6 kgs of first quantity should be mixed. 11 kgs of second quantity should be mixed, so that the total quantity 6 plus 11, which is 17. But the question says it is not 17, it is 85. Simple. 17 is becoming 85. Multiply by 5. 6 also multiply by 5, because they are asking you the first quantity. According to ratio, first quantity is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. If they ask you second quantity, that also can be very easily told as 11 into 5, 55. But in this question, the question which is asked for is first quantity, answer is 30. Very, very easy, sir. Alligations, I don't even understand why students face a lot of difficulty in solving questions. These are all very, very easy, and alligations is exactly similar to mixtures with a very, very small difference. And I hope that the difference is clear for you, which I explained in the beginning of starting of alligations. Now please see another varieties of questions that are asked in allegations. Your question is, in what ratio should Darjeeling tea costing 280 rupees per kg be mixed with Assam tea costing 220 rupees per kg, so that by selling the mixture at 294 rupees per kg, there is a gain of 20%. That means in the question, profit percentage values will be given and selling price will be given. How to solve that varieties of questions? Now, if you observe all our previous question, this is the cost price 12 rupees. This is the cost price 16.25 rupees and 14.75 rupees is also the cost price of the mixtures. If you observe the previous to previous questions, this X is again the cost price, 30 is what we got, 50 is again the cost price and 45 is again the cost price. That means we can alligate the parameters only if the parameters are of similar entities. Please remember that carefully. Any question you take, 7.4 rupees is the cost price of first parameter, 6.4 is the cost price of second parameter, 6.7 is the cost price of the resultant mixture. We can alligate the parameters only if the parameters are of similar quantities. That means every parameter should be of prices itself, and in price again subcategory they should be either everything cost price or everything either should be selling price. That is how it should be to alligate it. Now in this question they are saying, in what ratio should Darjeeling tea costing 280 rupees per kg, costing 280, cost price is 280, be mixed with Assam tea costing 220 rupees per kg, cost price is 220 rupees, so that by selling the mixture at 294 rupees per kg, selling price is given as 294 rupees, there is a gain of 20%. Profit percentage is nothing but 20%. Now see here, this is nothing but cost price, this is nothing but cost price. The resultant what I am writing should also be cost price, but the resultant of the mixture is given in terms of selling price, and therefore the profit percentage is also given as 20%. Convert that selling price by 20% to cost price. Selling price is 294, profit percent is 20%, 20% is 1 by 5. The meaning of 20% 1 by 5 is denominator represents cost price is 5 rupees. If it is numerator, profit percentage will be the numerator, profit will be 1 rupee. Selling price should be how much? I took the article for 5 rupees. I want to make 1 rupee profit. That means I should sell the articles for 5 plus 1, 6 rupees. But the question says selling price is not 6. Selling price is 294. 6 into 49 is 294. 5 also multiply by 49. 5 into 49 is, it is 245. This cost price I should put it here as the resultant. That means instead of saying that there is a 20% profit on 294 rupees selling price, I can also say that the cost price is 245. All are absolutely same. Now I know you can easily find the ratio in which the two products or two varieties of tea are mixed. Q1 by Q2 is 220 minus 245, it is minus 25. 245 minus 280, it is minus 35. It is 25 by 35. In what ratio they are mixed? They are mixed in the ratio 25:35 or 5:7. Very easily you can solve this question. So this is another variety of question where profit percentage will be given and selling price will be given, so that you need to find the cost price and find out the quantities or the ratios. One more example I will take it so that my students will not face any difficulty. See this question, sir. See this question. Same variety of question for your better understanding. What quantity of tea at 50 rupees per kg, first parameter is 50 rupees per kg, is mixed with 30 kgs of tea at 60 rupees per kg. Second parameter is costing 60 rupees per kg and quantity of second parameter is given as 30 kg. That we will check it at the end anyway, no issues. So that the mixture is sold at 63 rupees per kg. It is sold. Selling price is given as 63 rupees per kg at a profit of 16.66 percentage. Profit percentage is 1 by 6. 16.66 is 1 by 6, which I already taught in multiple classes. Same logic I'll implement. This is cost price, this is cost price. I don't want some other person to come and sit as the resultant, which is selling price. Convert it to cost price. Denominator is 6. So cost price is 6. If it is profit percentage, numerator will represent profit. Profit is 1. So selling price should be 6 plus 1, 7. But the question says it is not 7, it is 63. 7 into which number is 63? 7 into 9. 6 also multiply by 9. 6 into 9 is 54. Cost price is 54. That means the resultant cost price is 54. Now I am damn sure that you know how to find Q1 by Q2 ratio by using alligation concept. 60 minus 54, it is 6. 54 minus 50, it is 4. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. That means first quantity is 3 kgs according to ratio. Second quantity is 2 kgs according to ratio. But question says second quantity is not 2 kgs. It is given in the question as 30 kgs. 2 should become 30 kgs. Multiply by 15. 3 also multiply by 15. 3 into 15 is 45 kgs. Answer for this question is 45 kgs. I believe that you are understanding the actual usage where alligation needs to be used. Please see this question. Another question for your better understanding. 25% gain is made. That means profit percentage is given as 25% by selling the mixture of two types of sugar at 450 rupees per kg. Selling price is given as 450. Let us do statement by statement. 1 by 4 is cost price is 4, profit is 1, selling price should be 5, but selling price should be 450. 5 into which number is 450? 5 into 90 is 450. 4 into 90 is 360. That means the resultant cost price of the mixture is 360 rupees per kg. That is the meaning. If one type of sugar costing 560 rupees per kg was mixed with 185 kgs of other type of sugar which cost 280 rupees per kg. That means first type is costing 560, second type is costing 280, resultant is 360 which we found out here. Then how many kilograms of the former was used? How many kgs of the first variety was used is the question. Q1 by Q2. Same logic, sir. It is nothing but equal to this 280 minus 360. It is minus 80 divided by 360 minus 560. It is minus 200. This is nothing but 8 by 20. 8 by 20 is 2 into 4 or 4 into 2, 4 into 5. So Q1 by Q2 ratio is, it is 2:5. So according to ratio, 2 kgs of first quantity is mixed, 5 kgs of second quantity is mixed. But the question says second quantity is weighing 185 kgs. Question says it is not 5 kgs. Question says 185 kgs. 5 should become 185. 5 into which number is 185, or 185 divided by 5 is how much? It is 37. 2 also multiply by 37. 2 into 37 is, it is 74 kgs. Answer for this question is 74 kgs. If you think little logically, sir, they are asking you 2 into which number should be the answer. So answer should be a multiple of 2. 75 is not the answer. 37 should not be the answer. So either it should be 74 or it should be 80. Choose any one of your choice. If the statement given in the question is satisfying, after you choose one of the values, whichever is satisfying, that should be the answer. The other one should be incorrect answer. Simple common sense way where I have taught you this kind of methodologies by solving by answer options in so many questions in my so many topics. Now let us solve a virginal question which had come in SSC mains. I did not mention it here, but this is one of the original question which had come in SSC mains, sir. Now see here, let us read the question. It really does not make any difference between these questions and the previous questions which we have solved if you are good in solving by concept. Let us read the question. A merchant has 100 kgs of sugar. Total quantity what he has is 100 kgs of sugar. This is the first statement. A merchant has 100 kgs of sugar, 25 kgs of which he sells at some profit percentage. Out of 100 kgs, 25 kgs is sold at some profit percentage. I don't know how much profit percentage he is selling the 25 kgs, and the rest out of 100, if 25 is gone, remaining is 75 kgs, and the remaining 75 kgs at 8% profit percentage. Remaining 75 kgs he is selling at 8% profit. He gains 10% on the whole. He gains 10% on the whole. The overall profit percentage what he is gaining is 10%. What profit percentage was made or gained by selling 25 kgs of sugar? That means this value of sum is what we need to find. Now see here, first quantity is 25, second quantity is 75. Ratio in which the two quantities are mixed, it is given as 25 by 75, which is 1:3, and this sum percentage is what we need to find. That I don't know the value, that is what I am finding. That is what, let me keep it as some unknown variable. This is 8 and the resultant is 10. Can I say that if I apply alligations, alligation numerator will be 8 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 2. 8 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 2. 10 minus something should be the denominator. 10 minus something should be the denominator. I don't know what is that something. Now think little logically. Anyway, can I write this minus 2 by 10 minus something as also equal to 2 divided by something minus 10. 2 divided by something minus 10. If I take two negative common factor in both the cases, can I say that according to the ratio numerator is 1, but here the numerator is 2. 1 is becoming 2, multiply by 2. 3 also multiply by 2. 3 into 2 should be 6. That means denominator should be 6. Something minus 10. Something minus 10 should give you the value as 6. Which number minus 10 will give you 6? That value is nothing but 16. Answer for this question is first quantity of 25 kgs should be sold at, or should be, what is that, should be sold at 16% profit. That something value in this question is 16. Something minus 10 should give you 6. That something value should be 16 only, right? 16 minus 10 only, 6, right, sir? Answer for this question is 16. I believe that you are able to understand it very, very easily. Let me explain you one more question. I will definitely take two similar kind of questions wherever required, so that you will not find it difficulty. Now see here, your question is, a shopkeeper has 66 kgs of rice. Total kgs of rice shopkeeper is having is 66 kgs. Part of which he sells at 15% loss. Some part he is selling at 15% loss. Because it is a loss, I am putting a negative sign. And the remaining at 45% profit. Some other remaining portion he is selling at 45% profit. Because it is loss, I put a negative sign. Because it is profit, I am putting a positive sign here. He gains 15% on the whole. Overall profit percentage is 15%. So again it is plus 15%. Your question is, what quantity of rice was sold at 15% loss? This, how much quantity was sold at 15% loss, I need to find. Same like my previous question, no difference. If I want to find Q1 by Q2, this is nothing but 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15 is 30 divided by 15 minus of minus 15. 15 minus of minus 15 is 15 plus 15, 30. That means both are mixed in the ratio of 1:1. 1:1 means equal ratio. Out of total 66 ratio kgs of rice which was present, equal ratios are sold at 15% loss and 45% profit. 66 equally divided is 33 kg. 66 by 2. 33 kgs of rice was sold at 15% loss, and 45 and another 33 kgs of rice was again sold at 45% profit. So that the resultant became 15% profit. I hope that this kind of problem solving should never be a difficulty, sir. Now let us check how can we use the similar method to solve a original SSC main 2017 question. I am not joking, you can cross check this original question. See here, same question. Same like my previous two question. A trader has 2000 kgs of rice. Totally he is having 2000 kgs of rice. He sold one part of it at 10% profit. This is 10% profit, and the rest at 16% profit, remaining at 16% profit. He gains 14.2% on the whole. Overall profit is 14.2%. What quantity of rice was sold at 10% profit? This 10% of profit, he sold it for some quantity of rice. How much? What it is the question? Same logic. Q1 by Q2 is nothing but 16 minus 14.2. It is 1.8. 14.2 minus 10. It is 4.2. This is 18 divided by 42. 18 divided by 42 is 6 into 3, 6 into 7. So the two quantities are mixed in the ratio 3:7. It is mixed in the ratio 3:7. According to the ratio, total quantity is 3 units of first quantity, 7 units of second quantity. Total is 3 plus 7, 10. According to question, total is 2000 kgs. 10 is becoming 2000. Multiply by 200. What quantity of rice was sold at 10% profit? According to ratio, it is 3. According to question, how much? 3 also multiply by 200. Answer is 600. There is no difference in the way you are solving if you understand the concept.